Hello guys, Emmanuel here. Today I want to show you how to install the new MaterialX plugin for Substance Designer. So let's get started. First we need to download MaterialX plugin from Substance Share. So we go to Share, then Plugins and Substance Designer, and we download it. Then we also need to download the actual MaterialX libraries. So we can search on Google, GitHub, MaterialX. We open the first link and we check for section called Pre-built binaries. From here we need to download the Microsoft Windows Visual Studio 2017 64-bit. Okay, once both files are downloaded, we extract them and we will rename the MaterialX libraries folder to MaterialX no spaces. We copy this folder and we paste it inside the SD-MaTeX plugin that was downloaded from Share. Okay, this is how the folder should look like. And inside of MaterialX, we should see something similar to this. Now we're ready to continue to installation. We copy the SD-MaTeX plugin and we paste it in the Substance Designer documents plugins. It's usually located at Users, your username, Documents, Algorithmic, Substance Designer, Python, SD User plugins. And now we're done. To verify that the plugin is actually working, we open Substance Designer. And we should be able to see the new MaterialX button in the UI. Also, we have a new option under File to create a new MaterialX graph. I'll do some tutorials on how MaterialX works inside Substance Designer soon. In the meantime, feel free to check the stream we did last Sunday, in which we explored how everything worked. The link is in the description box. Well, that's all for now. Remember to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feedback or idea for a tutorial, let me know in the comments.
Good luck!